Hello, Julie. Miss Julie, it's so good to see you. Thank you so much for the Go Populars. Thank you. Now we are going to go underneath that branch over there. I love going underneath the branches. Sort of makes my day. Those rapids are really picking up over on the other side. It's so nice. I'll zoom in on it for you. Good morning, Bill. So good to see you. And Daisy. Nice to see you, Daisy. Welcome in, guys. It's so good to see you all. Thank you so much for joining. Joshua's here. Welcome in, Joshua. Dixon, how are you? We are doing absolutely wonderful. How are you? Tabby. Looks cold, I know. It is -2 right now, Celsius. And Claudia, welcome in, Claudia. So good to see you. Espinoza, hello. Doom's Ice Cream, thank you so much. And Minnestofa Folk, welcome in. And Wandering Paws. And MJ Garden, nice to see you. Thank you for the follow. And Wea family, so good to have you here with us. It is a little chilly, but it is nice. It's very refreshing here. Athos is from Brazil. So good to see you. And thank you for following us. I'm gonna dip my feet in this river. Show you a mussel shell. I haven't seen a mussel shell in weeks. There it is. Absolutely beautiful. And thank you, Kate, for the heartbeat. We'll be maneuvering around a little bit in a few minutes, doing a little walking. For now, let's just do it. Bill, a little bit. I'd say within the last 24 hours, we got about 10 centimeters of snow. Yes, we did, Kate. Hamid, welcome in, Hamid. Nice to see you. And Chicago Bears is here. Welcome in, Chicago Bears. So good to see you. Hi, Fun. Nice to see you, Fun. And Irene for the follow. Thank you, Irene. And Joel, welcome in. Thank you for the follow. So good to see you all. Thank you, Hamid, for the beautiful roses. A foot on Friday. Wow, Bill, that's a lot. Good morning, Nader. Nice to see you from Montreal. Nice. So good to see you guys. Thanks for the repost, Darren. And Hamid, thank you so much for the reposts. Absolutely. Thank you. All right, we're going to move now, guys. We'll probably lose a few viewers because a lot of people come in because they like the sound of the water. And I understand that completely. But we like to move here in the Nature Live. And our super fan name is Move. So if you want to support the channel in that way, become a super fan and you will get shout outs exclusively from yours truly. And your name comes up in a golden banner and you'll be able to have exclusive access to our super fan stickers that I worked really hard on last night. And I had fun. So that's how your lady in nature spends her Saturday night. Obsessing over stickers. Indeed. Queen God's Child, welcome in. And you've been in our fan club for 1 month. Congratulations on your 1 month anniversary. It's starting to we have a little bit of freezing rain mixed with flurries right now. Indeed, HT. Rasta for the follow. Nice to see you, Rasta. An Owl Lover. Welcome in, Owl Lover. So good to see you. Yes, this water would be very cold, Eva. Nice to see you, Eva. Thanks for the follow, Mitch. Yes, alligator. So do I. Right, Nader? One more week. March 22nd to be exact. And we are so happy that all of you are here. And Max Katz, good morning. Thank you so much for doing your heartbeat. And Lua for the repost. Thank you, Lua. Good morning. Antonio, thank you so much for following nature. Now the tunnel of love is still kind of concave now for a while. It's been like this for a while. And with the new snowfall in the meadow, the arch will be really hard for me to pick it up, but I want to show it to you. Hey, Charlene. Good to see ya. Watch your head. Everybody dip your head down. Quick. There you go. All right. So this has to be maneuvered a little bit up. So I'm going to try it, and if it doesn't work, I'm not going to try it again. So we're just going to give it a little shake first. All right, we shook it enough. Let's lift up. We'll do the same thing we did last time. We're maneuvering the arch back up is what we're doing. This is a grapevine that is covering this beautiful arch. And I'm trying to lift it up with my head. It's not working very well. Oh, I sunk. All right, guys, I sunk into the snow. But we got it up part way. We did get it quite higher this time. So down on the other end, we have to shake the ice and snow again. So let's do that. We'll give it another shake. Nelsy, thanks for the rose. Thank you, dear. Woo! This is the part where I'm a little more vocal, if you'd like to say. I'm more vocal during this part of the live because we're not near the river. All right, now we're going to shake this side, okay? All right, everybody put your hands on there for me, okay? Everybody in here. I think we're 400 people. We should be able to get this archway back up. All right, let's go. Ready? Everybody on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on now, guys. Oh, it's hard to do, I'm telling you. And there's so much ice and snow that's, holding down the arch. So I think we'll just leave it for now. We'll wait for another few days. Hopefully it melts. And then we'll be able to push the arch back up. And all of the vines on here will grow again in the spring. All the grapes for the animals. And the lady makes grape jelly, and I look after this meadow for her. I help her out. So that's why we're here. And that's why I'm allowed to be here, because I have exclusive permission to be here. So I just thought I'd let you guys know. In case there's people in here like, oh, whose property is this? Is this yours? All right, let's go see if we can find the white-tailed deer. They should be out here. Thank you, Max Cats, for your awesomes. I just saw that now. I'm staring at this ice to see if there's anything I can do. Owl lover. Oh my goodness. June Knight. Jenny Bug. See, I'm a lot more vocal now, guys. I just don't like making a lot of noise when you guys are trying to enjoy a nice, peaceful live. We don't want to make a lot of noise. Oh. Angela, thank you for the press start. You can see the river from here. Look at this, guys. Let's zoom in. Angela, thanks for doing your Hurt Me. You can see the river right here. That's where we just came from. And now we're heading into the trails, and we're going to see if we can find some white-tailed deer right now. All right, guys, here we go. And did you know, guys, that you can actually post a highlight of this live on your own by sharing? That is a new feature within the last 2 weeks. You can post a highlight of this live. And for those of you who do it, I say thank you with a great big hug. All right, here we go. Whew. Jolene, welcome in, Jolene. So good to see you. All right, this is where they hide, right in here. Oh, nice, LFG. That's awesome, and welcome in, everybody. And thank you so much, Angela, for the club cheers. That's awesome. Madeline, thank you for the roses. Stephanie, welcome in. Okay, I see their tracks. Lots of deer tracks here, guys. they're fairly fresh. Right, LFG. We have so many different trees here. Now we're walking on icy snow. And hopefully we don't scare away the deer. Hey, Wanda, the Wanderer, welcome in. And Elizabeth, nice to see you, Elizabeth. And thank you for the follow, guys. Thank you so much. Funny, you don't see them at the time and the place that you think you're gonna see the wildlife, and you try, but you never see them unless it's the right time and the right place. This here tree right here split into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different trunks right here. It's over 150 years old. And it's called a bush willow. This is a bush willow tree right here. There's quite a few of them here. I'll put you right in the middle. Alright guys, we are in the middle of the bush willow tree. I'm standing between 2 trunks. Hi, Snapper. Nice to see you. Oh, they're here. If you look on my page, boy, you will see a lot of footage of animals. Boy, Jude, so good to see you. And Pure Tracy, welcome in. I missed you. How are you? All right, let's go back down now to the trails. Yes, it's possible that they look at us from a distance. I know the black otter is up here. He lives up here under the snow. Hey, Mono X is here. And Christine. And Jade the journalist. Welcome in. I think there's ducks in the river. Isn't he something, Madeline? I hope he shows up. It's kind of like when we were kids and we used to have like these little Christmas parties. And you would always wait for that special person to show up. Oh yes, there they go. There they go. The ducks are moving across the river right now. Beautiful. Oh, thanks, LFG. Takes a lot of practice, but once you get it, it's really fun and really easy. You know, as they say, practice makes perfect, and that's what I do. So we're going to go and head down to the river right now. Hi, Tammy. We are in Nova Scotia, Canada. Welcome in. And this is all the ice that was pushed up onto the bank. Oh, there goes the ducks. There they go. Oh, they're coming back. Quite a few of them. Elaine, nice to see you, Elaine. Welcome in. The sound baths are everywhere. That's where the otter lives, way down there, under the ice, no doubt. He'll poke his head out only if he feels like it. And this river will maneuver all the way around our community. It goes down here and it goes under the bridge and over to the other side. And there's a heronry that's about 25 to 30 kilometers away. It features over 50 blue herons. Hi, Toya Avono. From Indonesia, nice to see you. Thanks for coming in. There's some garbage in the river as well. There's always the odd litter bug that feels as though they are the most important person in the world and that nature doesn't matter. No, we don't have any polar bears. We just have the black bears. And that is one of our missions here in Nova Scotia, is to get some footage of a black bear coming out of its natural habitat. And we hope it happens soon. I just love how all this looks. It's like 3 to 4 feet of pure ice and snow. And the shape of the ice is actually, it reveals to you how many times the river has frozen. You can actually read ice that way. After it's pushed up on shore, it reveals a story